What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another review here on CCV at SMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2013 BMW 1 Series. It's the 135. Good looking car. This one's a unicorn. It's a manual transmission. So stay with us. We're going to talk about it, let you see it, take it out for a test drive, give you the price, all that good stuff so you can make an informed buying decision if you're looking at this car. Here we go. All right, everybody, so here it is, the 2013 BMW 135. What an absolutely beautiful, sporty car. I mean, it is just a good-looking vehicle. Now, I'm loving this dark blue with the tinted windows, the silver wheels. I mean, it sits nice, sitting on top of the tires there. I mean, it's just a really nice-looking vehicle. You know, BMW in general, all of their cars look good for sure, but it's something about this car, right? It's compact in size and it's just fun, man. You get inside this car, you start shifting the gears with the manual transmission, you feel one with the vehicle, and then you got a car that's just riding down the road and it looks so sweet. Now, I'm loving the headlights. Now, the frame rates on the camera aren't necessarily matching up with the headlights, but you can see they have that little blinking motion. That's not necessarily going on while we're out here looking at the car with our eyes. But I'm loving the black kidney grille in the front. The front of the car looks great. No major dent stings or scratches on her. No major rock chips or anything like that on the front end. Looking really sweet. And then you got these LED rings. These are the daytime running lights right there and right there. And then a nice little boom, kind of like an eyebrow right there. Gives the car some attitude. And I kind of like also on the headlight, if you notice here, how this kind of drops down right there. Again, it all really just kind of plays with giving the car its own look. And it's all about attitude with the BMW. Now let's keep moving through, checking her out. Here's these alloy wheels. These are 215/40 series Potenza tires by Bridgestone, which are really good tires. Then you got your 18-inch 5-star, and also these nice big brakes back here. Look at that. I'm loving how they're in that kind of dark gray with the silver BMW there. Rotors look really nice. I don't think you're gonna have any issues with having to deal with tires or brakes or anything like that after buying the car. I even like the small things like right here on the tire, the stem. Check that out. It's got a little BMW logo on it. Stuff like that. It just looks really, really nice. You got your side marker lamp right there on the fender. So that's going to light up for you when you're putting your blinker on, because they don't have any lights integrated into the mirror on the side here. Windshield looks good. Sunroof up top. Again, you got some really nice tint on all your windows all the way around. And BMW gives you that nice clean lip spoiler that comes right off the back of the trunk lid. Taillights look really nice in that red, and just everything flows so nicely with the red and blue. Got a really long third brake light, which I like. The exhaust, you got the two tips right there, and it's got a little tone to it when you're cruising down the road, shifting through the gears. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk. Just hit that button there. And again, everything about the car has a solid feel to it. Fit and finish is nice. Wait until we get on the inside of the car. And actually a very roomy trunk. You could put some golf clubs back here. You can even lay down those back seats. You got your 60/40 split. Got that. We're even leaving this in here for you with the BMW logo on it. Okay, so that's nice to see. And then under here, let's just take a look. Of course, there is no spare tire. The battery's located in the back to keep it cooler. You got your first aid kit and all that, your tools. So that's looking really good. Yeah, most people buying Beamers know a lot of the BMWs just don't come with spares. Anyways, you got a little thing there to, like a little triangle that opens up so people know, you know, if you broke down the side of the road, they know what's going on. And again, as you're seeing on the video, the car's in really nice shape. Front to back to sides to roof, no dents, no dings, no major scratches. And again, plenty of tread on those Potenzas, which I like. Good stuff here, right? All right, y'all ready? Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, and we'll take it for a ride and head on back over to the store. But we're gonna give you the price and all too in just a few minutes. Power windows, power door locks, of course. Ebony interior, of course. I'm loving the M badging right here. Seats look good. Look at them. Great looking seats. No rips, no tears. Also on both seats, on passenger and driver side, you can pull this out a little bit more if you're taller. And the steering wheel looks nice. There's your manual transmission, so you can do some handshaking. Then in the back, there's your back seats. Headliner looks good, sunroof, all that stuff. Let's go ahead and hop in. I'm 6'1". Plenty of leg room. Also noticing we got a Harman Kardon stereo system, so that's going to sound nice. You got your navigation screen right up top here. It's got a little hood there, so it kind of, you know, it's hard to see right now, but there you go. Getting those frame rates with the camera, but we can brighten the brightness up on it and all that good stuff if need be. You got your start stop engine button, heated seats, climate control, radio, CD player. This doesn't open, but this does. Look how clean that is for your ashtray. 12 volt, I'm liking that. The boots in suede, which feels good. Armrest is in good shape, as you can see. It's not all worn out. More storage, USB, auxiliary down there. Cup holders. You know, one thing you'll see, not a ton of cup holders in the car, but just enough, right? You can take this one out or leave it in, and then you got another one right there. True sports car, they say, doesn't have cup holders, right? That's what they say. All right. Let's take a look real quickly at the mileage on the car. There you go, right at the bottom there, 105,695 on the miles. Ooh-wee. Looking good, got a full tank of gas for you. Revs out around 7,000 RPM, but again, mileage is 105. Price for this car at Southern Motor Company today is $15,900, I believe. $15,900. Can you believe that? What a great, fantastic deal for a 1 Series like this. $15,900. Man, that's nice. Up top, looking good. Sunroof opens right up. All right, let's strap a seatbelt on and cruise her down the road. All right, we're in. We'll go ahead and roll our windows down so you can hear a little bit of the engine. Now, it is a manual, so it's not going to be the easiest driving here with one hand, but we're going to get it. We're not going very far with the car. There you go. Sounds nice. And I did drive the car earlier a little bit, coming over to this spot, and I will tell you, the clutch, the brakes, alignment, all that stuff feel just like it should feel, okay? So I really don't think you're gonna have a whole lot to worry about as far as that is concerned. But we're gonna actually go off to the right, and then we'll do a U-E and head on back down to the store in a second. But I want y'all to listen to the exhaust and everything while we're driving in first gear going in second. You know, if you don't know how to drive a manual transmission, this would be a great car to learn to drive a stick on, because realistically, it's not that difficult. I mean, yes, as long as you can learn the functions of a clutch and shifting through the gears, you'll be fine. But again, the clutch feels really nice on this car, and shifting through gears is pretty smooth. I think it'd be a great car to learn to drive a stick on. But basically, just put your foot on the clutch and push it down and ease off the clutch and ease on the acceleration, and boom, there you go. There's probably tons of videos online already of people teaching people how to drive a stick shift. But the best way to learn to drive a manual is getting in a manual and trying to learn to drive a manual. You know, you can watch as many videos as you can, but at the end of the day, you got to get in a stick shift car and do it. All right, we're gonna just kind of whip her around. Look at this turning radius. I mean, how about that? That was sweet. Exhaust sounds really nice. All stock, no aftermarket parts on this vehicle. It has not been tuned or anything like that. I mean, it's just nice, clean, good looking, and a great price. All right, everybody, I appreciate you taking the time to watch with me today. Let me know what you think. Is it 1 Series for you? Maybe you got the family car at the house. Maybe you're looking for something a little sportier for the weekends. This would definitely be a great choice. be a great daily driver, but whatever it is you're looking for, we might have it at Southern Motor Company. A great place to do business at. Over 10 years now, right here in the Charleston area, North Charleston on Rivers Avenue. Like, comment, and subscribe. Charleston Car Video's also been on YouTube now 10 years. So it's a good time either way. Thank you again. I'm Chad Dolbier in sales at Southern Motor Company. I appreciate your time watching this review with me. And if you're in the market for a BMW or whatever it may be, as you can see, we got them. All right, guys. See you on the next video.